أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري. Bismillah. I am Mohd Iqbal, Shah, teacher, boys higher secondary school, Tarpura. Today my topic is related with environmental science of class 12th. It is 22nd of June 2002. Today's topic is kinds of soil. Kinds of soil horizons. Kinds of soil horizons. Firstly, I will tell you that horizons are the layers parallel to the soil surface whose physical, chemical, and biological characters differ from each other. Horizons are the layers parallel to the soil surface whose physical, chemical, and biological characters differ from each other. Kinds of soil horizons. There are mainly four kinds of soil horizons. Kinds of soil horizon depends upon the nature of material. It depends upon the nature of material. Mineral soil horizon and organic soil horizons are made from the weathering of parental material. Organic soil is made from decomposition of plants and animals, while mineral soil is made from bedrocks and glacial drifts. Organic soil is a soil which is made from decomposition of plants, animals, and their residues, while as mineral soil is made from bedrocks and glacial drifts. Dear students, similarly, there are four horizons of soil. The firstly, we will call it O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon. A horizon is also called as organic matter. Organic matter. Before we will tell you about O horizons, it was a Russian Dukche was a Russian person used this idea on Cherinzo soil in late 19th century. Dukachev was a Russian agriculture scientist who used this term in 19th century. Origin is horizon is made up of organic material and is present above the mineral soil. It is derived from dead plants and animals and their residues in decomposition form. This horizon is present in forest land areas and absent in grassland regions. This region is distinct from the leaf litter covering, which has no weathered mineral particles. This region is rich in organic matter also. And A horizon, it is second type, it is also called topsoil layer. A horizon is also called topsoil layer. It contains mainly decomposed organic matter to give the soil a color darker than the soil. It gives darker color to the soil. All biological activities occur here. A horizon is also called topsoil layer. It contains mainly decomposed organic matter to give the soil a color and to give the soil a darker color than the lower horizons. All biological activities occur in this zone. Soil organisms like earthworms, arthropods, nematodes, fungi, and many species of bacteria are concentrated here and in close association with plant roots. Dear students, B horizon is also called subsoil layer. They have undergone substantial changes. They have undergone substantial soil due to organic genesis, such that the properties of their organic material. These layers contain materials with silicate clays, that is iron, aluminum oxides, and organic material. and weathered rock fragments. It describes the best parent material. In dry regions, carbonates and gypsum may be considered in this region. These layers accumulate through elevation on each other. Through elevation on each other. The B horizon is commonly referred to as a subsoil in humid regions. B horizon are the layers of maximum accumulation of materials such as silicate, clays, iron, aluminum oxides, and organic material. These materials typically accumulate through a process termed elevation, whereas in the materials gradually wash in from the overlying horizons. According, this layer is also referred as the elevation horizon or the zone of elevation. So this subsoil layer contains materials with silicate colors. This layer is also called a subsoil layer. Last layer, sea horizon, it is unconsolidated material layer. It forms our horizon, whether others and rocks, it is below the biological region. It is the lowermost zone consisting of unconsolidated materials and weathered rock fragments. It describes the best plant material. In dry regions, carbonates and gypsum may be considered in the C region. This is O horizon, this is A, this is B, this is C. All these constitute soil horizon layers. وما علينا إلى البلاغ المبين.